Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing out a mascara from Lancome, and I haven't tested out a mascara from them in such a long time. I think the last time was about 6 years ago, and that was the Hypnose Drama Mascara I believe, and that just did not work out very well. I did do a full review on my channel which I'll link down below, also in this video for you so you can check that out. But this one is apparently a mascara that everybody loves. I've seen that this is a holy grail of so many people, and this is the Monsieur Big Mascara. Now this one is just the original one, and they do also have a waterproof one as well. Now I did actually get this I think in summer from a set the Essential were getting rid of on their website because it was the Christmas sets, and it had this massive sale on. I think it was like half price, so I got a whole set and it was about £14, which was absolutely incredible. So this does retail for £23 or I believe $28 nearly, so it is pretty expensive for a mascara, but I have seen that this mascara is amazing. So many people love it, and apparently your eyelashes are meant to look absolutely massive with it. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now if I do sound a little bit strange and if my eyes do look a little bit different, I have just had a cold for the last week and I am recovering from it, and I was really bad, which is why I haven't filmed any videos. So this is actually the first video that I'm filming after I have been ill. So my eyes are extremely dry at the moment, and my nose still is feeling a little bit blocked up, so I might sound a little bit nasally, but hopefully this video is going to turn out pretty well. So on the website it says big volume, a look of up to 12 times more volume than bare lashes, no flakes, no smudges, smudge resistant mascara for up to 24-hour wear, intense colour, ultra black, easy soft application, and it's suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. And it just basically says create big long lasting lashes, get the full slash look, say goodbye to false lashes with Monsieur Big Volumized Mascara. So it seems like it's going to be a really good mascara. Now I did actually try out the Too Faced Better Than Sex one a couple of years ago on my channel, and I was very underwhelmed with it. So many people loved it and I just didn't think it was that amazing. So hopefully this is going to be a new favourite mascara of mine, because it is pretty expensive. So I really want to have a mascara that I can recommend to you guys, because some of the recent ones have not been that good that I've tested out. So anyway, if you want to see me test out this Lancome mascara, then just keep watching. I've zoomed in and we're ready to test out the mascara. Now the reason why I zoom in is so you can actually see what it looks like on the lashes, if they clump, and how long it looks compared to my other lashes. So what I tend to do is I do one eye with the mascara and then we compare it to the other side that doesn't have any on. Now looking at the wand, it does remind me of the Better Than Sex mascara. It is pretty big and it is pretty thick as well, so hopefully this means that the mascara is going to work really well. So I haven't curled my eyelashes. It's what I do with all of my first impressions on any mascaras. So I'm going to go ahead and do one eye. We'll do one coat, see what it looks like. It doesn't mention on the website about the best way to apply it, and it also doesn't say about how many coats. I tend to do 2 or 3 coats on my lashes when I do first impressions, just so we can see how it builds up. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do the first coat. So that's what one coat of the mascara looks like, and my lashes look so long. I'm already impressed with the first coat that I've done. It doesn't look like my lashes are super black. They don't look very volumized, but they do look very long, and it has got to every single lash. I like the way it looks because they don't look like they're clumping together. So I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat. The first time we did the rolling motion, so I'm going to try and do rolling motion and also zigzag motion, just so we can see what's the best way to apply it. That's 2 coats of the mascara and my lashes look absolutely massive. I'm really impressed with the way that it looks, so I just want them to be a little bit thicker, but so far it has reminded me of my favourite Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. That one is my favourite one, and I'm really liking this. It really does remind me of it, but it just seems like it's double the price. So at the moment, I actually think I might prefer it to that one, and that one is a holy grail of mine, and it's been probably my favourite drugstore mascara for the last couple of years. So I'm going to go ahead and do a third and final coat, and we'll see what it looks like. Hopefully it doesn't clump. At the moment it's looking really good. This is what 3 coats looks like, and my lashes are absolutely massive. Now they are starting to stick together, especially on the outside. They are looking a little bit like spider legs, but look at how long my lashes look. That length is incredible. I don't think I've ever had a mascara that makes my lashes look this long. I am so impressed with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and do the lower lashes and see how it looks, because sometimes if you have a big brush it can start to go everywhere on your lower lids. So hopefully it's going to work out well, but we'll try it on there. So it was actually quite tricky to do the lower lashes, but I think it's just because I was so scared of getting any mascara underneath my eyes, because I am going out after this and I didn't want to have to try and clean up afterwards. So it was quite hard, so I was going very, very slowly because of the size of the brush. But I love the way that my eyelashes look. They look absolutely massive, and I don't think it's that bad that they're sticking together a little bit. I have had mascaras that have made it look really bad when lashes sticking together, but my lashes look so long. I'm so happy. Just look at the difference. This is with no mascara, then this is with the mascara. I think what I would do is just do 2 coats and I'd be good to go on a normal day, but for 3 coats if you want dramatic volume, this is incredible. This is absolutely amazing. So at the moment I'm absolutely loving it, and I'm going to go ahead, do the second eye, then come back and I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll give you my final first impression and let you know what I think about the mascara. So I've just finished off my mascara and this is what it looks like, and I am blown away with this mascara because I honestly thought it wouldn't be that good, because I've seen the Better Than Sex mascara, people saying that it's amazing, it's their holy grails, and I've tried out quite a few mascaras that have said that it creates lots of volume and it makes your lashes look like a false lash effect, and they didn't work out. I mean, do you guys remember the Chanel one? That one was really bad. So I did try out quite a few before and they just didn't deliver, but this one, my lashes look absolutely incredible. Now this side does look a little bit more stuck together, but I think it's because I did wait a little bit longer between coats before I did the next one, so that's the only reason why I think that's why it's gone like that. But also this mascara looks absolutely beautiful. I would happily go out with 1 coat. It creates volume and it just makes your lashes look so good with 1 coat. With 2 coats I think it's my favourite because my lashes look so long, they also look quite thick, and then they also look quite black, and I just think it's so good. With a 3rd coat I'd probably only do that if I was going out because it's quite intense and they do stick together a little bit more, but my lashes are so super long. I can't get over how long my lashes look. It went to every single lash on the top and also on the bottom. It just looks incredible. I haven't had any mascara go anywhere other than a little tiny bit on my top lid, but that is my own fault because whenever I do first impressions I tend to be quite fast when I'm putting on any coats, so that usually happens to me. But I love it. I just think it looks so good. I'm so surprised and so happy with the way that it looks. Now it is quite expensive because it is a higher end mascara, but if you can get it in one of these sets for Christmas, for instance, you have sets like this and they work out to be I think about the same price as a mascara on its own. So I would definitely recommend going ahead and getting one of those because it is Christmas time. They have loads of offers on. They also have loads of gift sets, so I recommend picking up one of those because then you get more value for your money. I honestly think this mascara is probably the best mascara that I've tried, and it's beaten my Maybelline Lash Lift mascara. That one is my favourite mascara, and something has finally beaten it. The Rare Beauty one was on par with the Maybelline one. Now this one I feel like is actually better. So this one I think is going to be my new favourite. But obviously because it does say it's smudge proof and that it lasts all day and it's 24-hour wear, I will be trying it out for the entire day. I'll be trying it out quite a lot, and then I'll put down below in the info section exactly how it goes, if I still like it, if it smudges, if it budges, if it does anything like that. I will let you know down below in the info section. I also really like the formula as well. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's not too runny, it's not sticky like some mascaras that I've tried recently. It's literally for me the perfect formula of a mascara, and it just goes on so easily. I don't have any issues with it, and like I said, it can look a little bit spidery after about 3rd coat, but you can just go in with an old mascara wand, or you can just go in with an eyelash or an eyebrow comb and it will just sort it out really easily. So far I'm absolutely loving this mascara, and for me it's actually a new favourite of mine, and I'm going to be using this a lot because my lashes look absolutely incredible. So this is my first impression of the Monsieur Big Mascara from Lancome. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you've tried out this mascara or any mascaras from Lancome, and if you like them, if you don't, just comment down below to let me know. Also, if there's any videos that you want me to do any first impressions on, then just let me know as well, and make sure to give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!